Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Can I have your resume? Chandra Prakash.
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, first of all, thank you giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Chandra Prakash Gunare. I am basically from Dhule district, Chindwara, Madhya Pradesh. I did my graduation BTech with electrical engineering from Main Bhopal. I belong to nuclear family. We are 6 members in my family. Uh, my, my strength, I am very optimistic, honest and self-motivated person. My short-term goal is to get job in reputed company and long-term goal to achieve good position like say where I can run my career and improve myself. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movie, listening music, etc. That's it. Thank you.
So you have mentioned in your resume about Core Java, right? So let us discuss about Core Java. Why Java is platform independent?
Java is called platform independent, which can run on any system such as Linux, Ubuntu, MongoDB.
So what are the operators you know in Java?
Operator is a symbol which is used to specific operations. There are many types of operators used in Java: arithmetical operator, ternary operator, binary operator, unary operator, relational operator, etc.
Okay. What is the output of relational operator? So what are conditional statements?
Conditional statement in Java are utilized making decision in a program in some specific conditions.
So what are the types of conditional statements we have?
There are 4 types of conditional statement in Java: if else, else if, and switch statement.
So what do you know about jumping statements? What are the jumping statements?
I don't know.
What are looping statements?
Looping statement is to repeat a specific block of code over and over. Generally, 4 steps apply in this concept. First is initialize the value. Second is check the condition. Third is condition is satisfied after print the value. And 4 updation, increment and increment the value.
Okay. Oh, how many types of looping statements we have?
3 types of looping statements used in Java: do while loop, and for loop.
So what is the method?
Method are set of instructions which are grouped together. Method consists of method implementation and method declarations.
What is method overloading?
Write one or more method with same name but different parameters called method overloading.
Okay. What is method ambiguity?
There are ambiguity. Variable argument in Java. This happen to method can definitely vary enough is called data value. Compiler doesn't have knowledge which statement is called. This is known as method ambiguity.
Okay. What is compile time binding?
The process of binding method calling statement and method implementation based on method name with formal argument using compile time. It is known as compile time binding.
What are the differences between static and non-static members?
Static member which are declared by static keyword and non-static member which are declared by without static keyword.
Okay. So when does static initializer block is executed?
Yes, sir.
When it is executed?
Generally three job applied in this concept. First is to create class static area in the class of global area. Second task to create loads of static member with default value. Third to initialize static initializer include static initializer block from top to bottom.
Fine, very good. So what is a constructor?
Constructor refers to block of code which is used to initialize object.
What do you know about encapsulation?
Encapsulation is a mechanism where you bind your data and code together a single entity. Here hidden data from outer world can be accessed via current class method. It helps protecting data from unnecessary modifications.
What is composition?
It is technique to implement hazard relationship. Hazard relationship, one object using another object its own property, which is known as a relationship.
What is method overriding?
The process of method overriding, superclass method implementation and subclass method implementation during runtime, it is known as method overriding.
Can we achieve multiple inheritance?
Yes, we can achieve multiple inheritance.
How do we achieve?
One subclass having दोनों सब.
Right. What is the differences between abstract classes and interfaces?
Interface cannot be content constructor, or abstract class can be content constructor.
What is an exception?
It is known as runtime error. It is problem which stop normally flow problem suddenly and abruptly is called exceptions.
What is null pointer exception?
I don't know.
Very good, Chandra Prakash. Keep it up. Okay, all the best.